Hello there. So today what we're going to be doing is comparing decimals, alright? And as you notice in our two examples, we're going to put something in least to greatest, and we're also going to compare two numbers, alright? So our first step when we compare numbers, we've got step one, right? So our first step is that we're going to write the numbers. We're going to write the numbers by lining up the place values. And when we line up those place values, then our decimals are going to line up as well. Okay, so write So in this first one we have 3.67. So the next one we have 367 thousandths. So this 3 is going to go under the tenths place. Okay? Oh, maybe I should do this. Okay? Six, 7. And then our next number is 36 and 7/10. So I've got 36, so the 6 is going to go under the ones. Okay, and then our last number is 3 and 58/100. So the 3 is in the ones place. So then the tens place fall together, the hundredths place fall together, and the thousandths place fall together. So all these decimals end up being all lined up, right? Don't forget placeholders. So when I say placeholders, we're talking about those zeros, right? Okay. And then for our other one, we've got 6 and 78/100 and 6 and 76/100. And again, when we line those place values up, our decimals will line up together. Okay. Step 2. We're going to compare the numbers and put them in order. Okay, so we've already got everything lined up, right? Okay. So I've got one number in the tenths place, right? So that's going to be our first number. Actually, we're going from least to greatest, so this is actually going to be our fourth number because it's my largest number. It's the only one in the tenths place, right? Okay. So over here when I compare these numbers, 6 is the same, 7 is the same, so 8 is going to be bigger than 6, right? So this is my biggest number, this is my smallest number. But we're comparing these, right? And when we compare, we're using greater than, less than, or equal. Oops. Alright? Okay. As long as everybody's following me. Alright? Then we're going to go over to our next digit. We have a 3, 0, 3. So these two numbers are going to count, right? And this one we've already got situated where it's going, right? Because we're going from least to greatest. Alright? So, and then we have to go to our next digit, right? Okay? Do any of these have the same digit? 6, 3, 7, and 5? No, it doesn't. So at this place value, I'm going to be looking for the smallest digit because we're going from least to greatest. So our smallest digit is 3. So this is going to be our first one. Our next smallest digit is 5, so it's going to be the second one. And then our next smallest digit is the 6, right? And we've already determined that 36 is our biggest number because it's the only one with the tens place, right? Okay, so we've got them in order now, right? All right. So our next step, oops. So step 3 is we're going to write them write the numbers down in the order that they should be, or show the correct sign or find the answer choice that matches our order, right? Okay. So then, when I look up here, because this is where I have my information, right? I'm going from least to greatest. Oops. Going from least to greatest, so I'm going to write my small number first, right? 367 thousandths. And then my next number is 3 and 580 thousandths. And then my next number is 3 and 670 thousandths. Actually, it's 3 and 67 hundredths. And then my last number is 36 and 7 tenths. Everybody agree? All right. So our two numbers are 6, for comparing, our two numbers are 6 and 78 hundredths comparing to 6 and 76 hundredths. So when I looked, my 6 and 78 hundredths was the bigger number, right? So the alligator mouth. So my inequality symbol, okay, inequality symbol is going to be facing, if you still do the dots, you're going to have the 2 dots and then the 1 dot, and then you connect them, right? Okay, so 678 hundredths, sorry, is bigger than 6 and 76 hundredths, right? Okay, so, oops, leave it on here for just a minute. That way you can pause it. That way you can pause it and write all your notes if you didn't get them written while you were listening. All right. Okay. So in class, our two examples we're going to do. Alright, so these are going to be the two examples we do in school, or in class. So these will, you can look these up on Google Classroom, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.